AltaView, ARINC-429 Receive Tools, Part 2. Archiving and Snapshot Viewer. The ARINC-429 Receive tools use the multi-channel receive buffer to monitor labels on all receive channels for your ARINC device. The ARINC control panel provides tabs for control, statistics, filters, and triggers. The control tab is where you start and stop receivers. Before starting the receive channels, you can enable or disable archiving to record messages to a data file. The Options button allows you to control file naming, file breaks, and triggering. If a trigger is enabled in the Triggers tab, you will have the option to buffer and record up to 1,000 messages before the trigger message. Note that receive triggers only apply for archiving. The trigger does not affect the discovery window or other data viewers. Then choose a file for the archive. After clicking Start RX, you will see an archiving indicator at the top of the Discovery panel. The Clear Counts button zeroes the activity indicators and clears the discovery window. This is useful for clearing any past error conditions. The window is repopulated as labels are received. The Snapshot Viewer is a centralized place to view data from all channels. It allows you to examine a snapshot of up to 1,000 messages. It shows the timestamp, the label number, and the ARINC word in hex and binary. If the label has been defined and the equipment ID assigned to the channel, the engineering units for the label are also displayed. Errors are shown in red. Clicking Refresh Snapshot updates the display with the most current messages. Convert allows you to save the snapshot as a text file, comma-separated value file, or Alta's RXP binary format. You can choose the number of messages to save and apply any filtering you have set up in the Search tool. The Search tool allows you to find labels by channel, label number, or SDI. You can search for data using a value and mask. You can also look for labels with or without errors. You can search forward or backward from the current message. The Statistics panel keeps track of the overall number of labels and number of errors. The timing calculator is used to measure the time difference between messages. Clicking on Latch Current Message Time will highlight and save the timestamp of the top message. Now as you move or search through messages, the current time and the delta time will update. Negative delta times are shown in red. Want to know more? We're happy to help.